नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं संध्या सिंह आज हाजिर हूँ आपके सामने द इम्प्रेस कार्ड के बारे में बात करने। इससे पहले नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं संध्या सिंह एस्ट्रोलॉजर एंड एज वेल एज टैरो कार्ड रीडर। आज की इस श्रृंखला में मैं इम्प्रेस कार्ड के बारे में बात करूँगी, जो कि मेजर अरकाइना का तीसरा नंबर का कार्ड है। द एम्प्रेस इज यूजली डिपिक्टेड द सिंबल ऑफ वीनस somewhere in the image in the traditional rider waite deck. This image is on her shield, resting on the ground beside her throne. In the glided deck, she holds a golden Venus symbol in her hands, looking at it with a loving expression. This card represents feminine power, abundance, and fertility, typically surrounded by signs of a zodiac or other symbol of creations. The Empress also represents the ability to create, care for, and property properly nurture life. The number 3 in this context represent the bringing together of spiritual and earthly energies, creating a third new energy. The presence of this impress in a spread indicate positive resolution to outstanding matters and reward for those who work hard. She represents growth and prosperity related to the personal matter, such as a home life or a passion project. The card also represent nurturing in the every form, from nurturing friendship to project to family. When the impress appears in a spread, it is usually means that quarant has explored and fulfilled their potential. Depending on the other card in the spread, the empress can also indicate in impending pregnancy, birth, a long-lasting relationship, or marriage. These events may happen for the querent for a someone in the querent's life. Make sure you read the supporting card carefully to determine the empress specific message. Now, fourth card is the emperor. This card depicts a regal looking man sitting on a throne on standing tall. He is typically wearing a crown or laurel leaves, representing wealth, triumph, and success. The emperor is usually shown with the masculine symbols around him, such as the Mars symbol or images of the sun and the fire. He is also wearing long, elegant robes representing his wealth and status. In the glided deck, symbol of the zodiac are around him, and he carries a scepter topped with a miniature solar system. This represents the acquisition of a heavenly wisdom and rational thought. The emperor is a powerful man in control of any situation. He does not resort to violence but instead relies on his authority. Stability, reason, and logic are represented by the number 4. The emperor's presence in reading indicate finance stability, ambition, and the achievement. Your current may receive excellent news at a work relating to the promotion or raise. In some cases, depending on the surrounding card, the emperor can also represent an authoritative and powerful male influence. Make sure you caution the querent to continue behaving in logical and rational way, as a card wants them to base all their decisions on fact rather than emotions. If the querent can do this, they can expect to see progress in their career or their other business matter. Depending on the other cards in the spread, the emperor can indicate future achievement of important career goals. This card also often appears to querent who needs to be reminded of their strength and power over their lives. Some parents may have a questions about career or relationship. Pay close attention to the surrounding cards, as they can help provide the querent with the means to find their internal strength. Now, next in video we have discussed about the other cards of Major Arcana. Please stay tuned of my channel.